my name is Nicola Anderson. I'm the CEO and founder of Capacity to Grow. I work with scaling SMEs in the UK.
The biggest question everybody has is AI going to take our jobs?
AI is not going to take your job. So if you're using AI and you're trying to embrace it, you'll be fine.
What do you think happens when so many of the employees get access to AI? Do you believe or do you think employees get a lot more lazier compared to more productive?
It depends what you mean by lazier. If they're just putting it into AI and then just sitting there and doing nothing for the rest of the day, that's lazy. The time that they're saving by doing that, they're then doing something else, that's not lazy, that's working smart.
I'm a big user of AI myself.
Yeah.
In our company, we do use AI. We do develop AI tools for our clients as well.
Fantastic.
I believe can cause serious harm, and Claude has on the terms and conditions, they mention that, and they do say, hey, look, Claude can't be right every time, and
No.
don't use it that way. Let's say that you have trained someone really well, and obviously you expect them to perform at a certain standard. If that good is still not getting achieved, and you have tried everything.
Yes.
My argument on it is, if a person can't perform the job, I would replace. That's the way I look at it as a founder.
You won't regret trying something, but you will regret not trying. So, I think that if you've got opportunities that come your way and it's something you want to do, something you want to try, especially for a business owner, if you think that actually, you want to go out alone and do it, if you want it hard enough, if you want it enough and you're prepared to put in the work, do it.